Story of my life. Chai, I don't suffer for this life. I was cooking on the gas and I noticed that the gas was almost off. I had to pick up the stove that my lovely mom gave me, and I was thinking that that was going to solve my issues. Look at me with this stove, struggling again. Hey, finally I raised the thread, was hoping that it was going to solve my problem. And the thing, instead of the lights coming up, my thing was coming down. I was wondering, and later I had to on the gas back again and transfer the soup back to the gas. And still, no, and the gas now finally finished. I had to go back to the stove. I removed the thread and placed in a new one. Here is me fixing the rope or the thread of the stove. And I was hoping that this was also going to solve my issues. No way. Finally, when I was done, I had to put it back to the stove, lit it up, and I managed to cook my soup, and we are done.